My stomach, it aches.
Stomach ulcers. I drank fermented cabbage juice for 7 days. What happened shocked me. Doctors once used this before antibiotics even existed, and it still works. Watch how fermented cabbage juice helped me heal from chronic ulcers in just 7 days. Learn how to make it, how to use it, and why it works. You know that burning pain in your stomach that feels like fire each time you eat? Or that dull pains at your back? Sometimes it radiates from your upper shoulder to your ribs. When someone touches your stomach and it hurts. When you feel as if there is fire burning through your chest. Do you also know that some ulcer signs can be frightening? I know people who have mistaken ulcer symptoms as poisons. They ran from pillar to post seeking wrong medication for their ulcer ailment which they mistook for another sickness. Do you know stomach ulcers can cause burning sensation around your waist and legs? For people like me, sometimes, ulcer raises my blood pressure slightly when it becomes worse. Yes, it is as bad as that. That was me for years. I lived on painkillers, antacids, and prayers. Doctors called it stomach ulcer. I called it torment. Until one day, I found healing not in a pharmacy, but in my kitchen. From something as simple as cabbage. They call it fermented cabbage juice. Our grandmothers used it before antibiotics even existed. Science now agrees, cabbage is packed with vitamin C and natural probiotics that heal the stomach from within. It fights the bacteria that cause ulcers, and rebuilds what pain destroyed. So, I tried it. I chopped one big cabbage, washed it clean, blended it with water, and kept it covered for 3 days. When I opened it, the smell was strong, but it was alive. That was nature's medicine working. I strained it, stored the juice in bottles, and drank half a glass every morning and night. By the 3rd day, the burning stopped. By the 7th day, I could finally eat without fear. No more midnight pain. No more ulcers. It wasn't magic, it was nature doing what God designed it to do. So if you've been fighting ulcers and losing hope, remember this. Healing doesn't always come from a pill. Sometimes, it comes from a plant. Try fermented cabbage juice and let nature help you heal. In this video, you will learn how to prepare and use fermented cabbage juice and get your healing before 7 days. Welcome to my channel. Please, remember to share and comment. I drank fermented cabbage juice for 7 days. What happened next will shock you. Have you ever felt that sharp, burning pain in your stomach that just won't go away no matter how many drugs you take? For years, I battled stomach ulcers. I lived on antacids, painkillers, and prayers. But one simple homemade drink, yes, just cabbage and water, gave me the healing I had been searching for. Today, I'll share how fermented cabbage juice helped me say goodbye to stomach ulcers in just 7 days, naturally, safely, and affordably. This remedy isn't just a folk tale. It's actually backed by science. According to Healthline, cabbage is one of the oldest natural ulcer remedies ever used by doctors even before antibiotics were discovered. Let's dive in. I remember the nights when I couldn't sleep. The burning sensation. The sour taste in my mouth. The constant fear that my ulcer was back. My doctor said it was caused by H. pylori, a bacteria that thrives in the stomach. Stress, poor diet, and too many painkillers made it worse. I tried everything, but nothing lasted. Until I stumbled upon this fermented cabbage juice. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, one of the most powerful antioxidants that protect your stomach lining and help your body fight off H. pylori. But when you ferment it, something magical happens. The natural bacteria in the cabbage, known as lactobacillus, multiply. These good bacteria help restore balance in your gut, reduce acidity, and promote faster healing of ulcer wounds. It's like turning your ordinary cabbage into a living medicine. Now here's how to prepare it safely and correctly. Step 1. Get one big, fresh cabbage. Peel off the outer leaves. Step 2. Chop it into small pieces and wash thoroughly with warm water. Step 3. Blend it with clean water until it turns into a smooth pulp. Step 4. Pour it into a clean container, add a bit more water, and cover it tightly. Leave it to ferment at room temperature for 3 days. It may develop a strong smell, don't worry, that's normal. It means it's alive and ready. After 72 hours, strain out the chaff. Store the juice in clean bottles and refrigerate. That's it, your fermented cabbage juice is ready. Here is how to use. Take half a glass of the juice and dilute with water. Drink it on an empty stomach every morning, which means you will take it before you eat anything in the morning. At night, you will drink it before you go to bed, either before you eat your dinner or after. The most important how you take it in the morning, you must observe this morning rule. You'll start to feel better and notice relief within 3 days. If your case is truly an ulcer, you must feel better after 3 days of taking this natural homemade remedy. But, don't stop. Keep drinking it for 10 days to perfect your healing. When I tried it, I didn't expect much. But by day 3, I realized I could eat without fear. The burning and the pains stopped. The bloating disappeared. My stomach felt peaceful for the first time in years. It worked for me, and it's worked for many others who we recommended it and they used it and shared their stories. This isn't a miracle, it's simply nature doing what it was created to do. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is a natural support, not a medical replacement. If you're on ulcer medications like omeprazole or antibiotics, continue them. If symptoms persist after 10 days, please consult your doctor. Remember, natural doesn't mean careless, your health comes first. Here are some questions people who have read our stories in other places asked. 1. What if I don't have a refrigerator to store it? Our response: it is advisable to keep it in the refrigerator for perfect result. 2. What if I don't have a blender? Our response: use a mortar to pound it. You can use anything to pound it. 3. What if I am taking antibiotic or other medications for other related ailment? Our response: there is no problem. Cabbage is just a vegetable. There is no side effect. What to expect when you start taking the fermented juice? You will belch more than you used to. You will gas. It can give you little bloating but disappears. Sometimes, healing doesn't come in a pill, it comes from a plant. If you've been fighting stomach ulcers, don't lose hope. Give fermented cabbage juice a try. Nature is full of surprises, and this might be the one your body has been waiting for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who needs healing today.
many minutes? How many minutes?
2 minutes.
I caught 1 hour.